Nadine, can you see my screen? Okay, good deal. I'll go to 1 hour, mark this fair value gap here. New week open gap. And this is why I left all the fibs on there, just because we kind of bounced off the 2 last night. So it's not this right here. So what we want to see is a 50%. 618. Coming over here to March 5th. I'm gonna do NQ next right after this. I accidentally deleted all my stuff on NQ, so. Yeah, I always chart on my phone. I prefer to chart on my phone, and I don't know. This is something I've done for many years, so. All right, so there's that one. Next range up, which I have 5797. Which we got over that today. Let's see here. I'll mark this fair value gap. Right there. All right. Yeah, so let's go to the weekly here. I'm gonna mark these imbalances here, or fair value gaps. guess we'll leave that there. Alrighty. I'll mark the top of the 28th red candle. Yeah, just for giggles there. Let's go to daily. Mark this Timmy candle here. I'm gonna come over here, right here. So we're still over 797. We're looking for 6021. But kind of looking at the golden pocket here. Dang it, wrong one. 22. So just measuring the golden pocket in between the range, which we're in OTE of it right now. Alright, we'll go down here to the 5. Got everything kind of marked. So if the trend don't change, I'll be looking for that. Right there. So it'd be something like calls, puts, but if we break, calls for the upside. Same thing for the bottom side. We come down, break, back test it, puts. Alright, let's go to NQ here. Let's just go ahead and go to the weekly chart right here. We're going to retest that up. Back to our weekly. Let's get this. Go here the 1 hour. New weekly gap. Fair value gap here. We'll go ahead and mark. I should have done this on ES if I didn't. Let's go ahead and do this right here real quick. What I should have done with ES that I didn't do, should have left this here, gone back down the 5 minute, because I'd be interested in not getting in this retracement per se if we just held. The Timmy candle there. Go back down to the 5. We're gonna go back to hour and minute. Let's say grab some upside, but I like those upside levels there. Ooh, this one's a little bit different there. Another thing I should have done, we'll go back and do real quick, is go ahead and mark our pre-high and low. Mark that Timmy candle there. We'll go back to ES real quick. Mark. Overnight range. Go back over here to the 5. Yeah, same. Right there on top. Change this to this. See what it looks like. Oh. Right there would be pretty close to the same on NQ. This these two little bottoms right here. So we know we like this candle here. And there you go. I miss anything? Guess I did miss this. But I'm pretty sure we already broke it. Broken or regained it. Well, I'm gonna leave it on there because I'm not gonna get it off. There it is. Alrighty. That is my levels for today. So I'll play this off ES. If we got a break to the upside, NQ the exact same. Let's go ahead and do this here. We break to the upside. These are the levels I'll look for. Going with the levels that I already have marked out. Downside the same. Pre-market high, low. If we get the downside, I like to see this fair value gap hold right here, 1315, because that's right around the 50% of it, and or just kind of break down into the trend line here, kind of regain. What we've been doing is taking highs or taking lows, then highs. I'd like to see us take highs, kind of like Friday. If you looked at Friday's action, uh, um, oh, that's not Friday. So there's your high. We came and tried to take the high. Didn't get there. 3 lower highs. Took the low. Cup and handle. Balance. So it'll be something similar. Or we go back to just taking the pre-lows and up. And I need to update my spot. That's all I got. I'm going to get off here. I got like 3 hours of sleep last night. I'm not going to trade open. I'm going to try to wake up. Oh. But trade safe. Levels, 1 hour, Timmy candles, they hold a lot of weight. So, and the fair value gaps hold a lot of weight also. Yeah, so close under this 382. Looking for a sell. If we can get under this 50%, kind of looking for a sell. We have all this consolidation in here on the way up. So you got another Timmy candle right there. But I prefer the one at the bottom of a pre-market. The structure kind of shifted. We had the bull flag going into open, or bull flag coming in. Now I kind of have a head and shoulders set up. But that's all I got.